go. Can you see it's much more flatter? It was before, it was rolled in. Now it's a flat. Okay, so just take your time when you use your irons. Now what you need to do, you're going to bring out your muslin. Just pretend this is your skirt. All right, and then now you're going to actually insert your zipper right here. Can you see that? So this is what I like you to do. This is the outside of your fabric, and a zipper should be right here. Can you see it? So pull this one right here and hold. And I place the pins. Make sure your 1/2 inch seam allowances. Place. Right here. This is inside. And now you're going to go through the same process to your other side of your zipper. The zipper, the top of your zipper matches the top of your muslins. Make sure the seam allowance is a 1/2 inch. Match the top of your zipper, match with your top of your skirt. I'm going to place the pins to stabilize this together. Make sure this is a 1/2 inch seam allowances. I'm going to place the pins right here all the way down. So at this point, you want to make sure whether the zipper is set properly. And what you're going to do, you're going to find your holder, your zipper holder. Just pull it gently. Can you see it? This is how it should look. But we have not sewn this one yet. But you need to double check before you actually sew. So I know zipper is installed properly at this point. So now I'm going to show you how to sew these things together. I'm going to unzip this one. And now what I need to do, I'm going to sew these from top to bottom and from here to the bottom with the invisible zipper foot. I'm going to move my ironing board. I'm going to bring out now, question to you now. In order to sew your invisible zipper, you need to install your invisible zipper foot. If you have a sewing machine, you have a foot like this. You have the smaller one, and you can install your zipper into your sewing machine. And in this case, what I'm going to do, I am going to take out my presser zipper foot by using lever in the back. Each of machine is a little bit different, and mine has a lever in the center back right behind the foot, and release presser foot. It was here. If you look at here, there's a rod in here, right? And there's hooks underneath, and these are latched together. Okay, and in order to release those, and you can just press the lever in the back, and these will release, and so that you can replace with something else. Right now, this is my invisible zipper foot, and I'm going to put my hooks, and the rod has to lock with on my right side, and lower my foot and it's there. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to sew right here. So basically the zipper foot is half of the zipper foot presser foot, and you can easily sew things together. That's how it's designed. And I'm going to insert my needle, and I'll lower my foot and make sure everything's in the right place. Of course, I'm going to sew all the way close to the teeth. I'm going to remove my foot, my pins as I go. All the way as close as you can. And I'm going to stop right here. Now, I did one side, I want to do my other side. And if I place my needle in here, it will be very difficult to sew close to my zipper tee. So now what you're going to do, you're going to release your invisible zipper foot by pressing your lever. And I'm going to move this one to my right side. Lower this, and I use my lever at the same time, and it's stable. Now I'm able to navigate my needle close to my zipper coil. And once again, I'm going to sew as close as possible. Remove your pin as you go. So as close as possible. Remove, release from your sewing machine. There you go. You have a beautiful invisible zippers right here. And then you can press this one with the iron. Okay? Do you guys have any questions?